Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, to interest you to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of, it provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto-to-crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, air trading bot, and launchpad. So now that we know what Bitget is all about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC. So from your home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen, and you're going to find this icon representing diverse features. The second icon right here is where you have the wallets. Okay. Over here where you have this wallet. So you have this icons, deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Now I would like you to click on withdraw. So click on the withdraw icon. And that's going to take you to the withdrawal window. That's coming right up. Okay, so we're in here. Now from this withdrawal window, where you have this crypto, go ahead and select the coin that you want to withdraw. In here is USDT. You can click on this drop down menu icon and select the coin that you want. And after doing that, here where you have withdraw to, you're gonna see two tabs here. That's on-chain and internet transfer, and show it's an on-chain. So in here, select the network that you want to use for this transaction. Ensure that the network is selected. So just go ahead and select the network for this transaction. Now, once you're done, you're going to find this option that says withdraw address. So in here, you're going to have to click or paste the withdrawal address so that you can continue this transaction. So from here, you're going to have to head over to your MEXC account. Launch your MEXC account and locate the deposit icon in your MEXC account. Once you click on deposit, select the currency, and in this sense, go ahead and select USDT or select the coin or assets, whatever word it is. Once you select USDT, go ahead and select the network. We have chosen TRX20 here, that's TRC20. So click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to show you the wallet address, including the QR code. So copy the wallet address, come over here and paste the wallet address from your MEXC account. Now, once you do that, go ahead and click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to take you to the next window, which is just all about confirming your withdrawal processes. All right. So after confirming your withdrawal processes, that's going to be it. Once the transaction is completed, you're going to see that this coin or whatever amount of USDT that you withdrew from Bitget is going to head into your MEXC account. So head over to MEXC balance and ensure that you definitely saw or you definitely see your coin in your MEXC account. So this is pretty much how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.